was watching YouTube earlier.
Yeah.
I was doing a video. It was like that drunk history thing, and it was saying that Al Capone, the gangster Al Capone, was really a moron.
Yeah.
Right? He was really a moron. And he spent like his entire life just hiding the fact that he was a moron. Mm-hmm. And it was embarrassing how close to home that hit. Hi guys, I'm Richard.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this is How's My Living? On to Disney Springs today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. I feel like I'm just slightly, I don't want to go overboard with it. I just feel like I'm slightly suffocating in this.
Yeah.
Like just slightly.
I love this stuff.
But I know you guys came here for one question and one question only. Do they have Halloween Disney Crocs? Yes, they do. So thanks for watching. You finally got your question answered. They're $54. And thanks for tuning in.
Little pumpkin. Baby,
time's up. Tiki run.
Okay.
I'm like a full-out Disney vlogger now. That's all it took was, if you got a camera and a mask, you're a Disney vlogger. You didn't even know it. Would you like a Mickey balloon on this windy day? We're trying to find Richard water for a bot. He calls it a bot, it's a bottle. You know, I feel like I've done really good because I've not said let's check it out this entire video. Because the last couple of videos I keep saying let's check it out. So I think what I'm going to do different this time in this video, instead of saying let's check it out, I'm just going to say I'm going to stare at it, guys. Or let's all stare at it.
Would you look at it?
Yeah, would you just look at it? That's going to be the next thing. So we're in guest relations because she had to heat up a bottle. So we went to guest services and said we had to heat up a bottle, and they brought us back to this room. So here's a microwave. Heat it up. So you guys are over here and you need to heat something up, or somebody gets food, come to guest relations. Why did you ruin your day?
I broke my mask and now my glasses are gonna fall off. It doesn't work with this.
Yeah, but in all fairness, he was trying to tear him away from his favorite hobby, which is the completely redundant idea of him pushing his own stroller. So, there's that. You ready? There's Mom. Say hi, Mom. Time to go. Come on.
How was it?
It ended.
Huh?
We're mad because it ended. A carousel should never end.
Was it so fun, Mama?
Wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. Have you ever had poo sweats?
Who sweats?
Alright guys, we're back in the parking garage. We did a lot of stuff today. We did a lot of stuff today. That's pretty much it for us. We've done so much stuff today, we're going to break it down and do a few different videos and share it with you because we did a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos, there's still tons of other places we'd still like to go. We're in the parking garage. It smells a lot like we're sitting in this parking garage. Every parking garage smells bad. I don't know. Yeah, it's not. But yeah. Well, anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.